Very good morning to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video in this scintillating morning, and today I'm going to talk about the juvenile crimes in the world. Recently a case happened in Delhi where a high-speeding Mahindra SUV which was driven by a 17-year-old boy who was juvenile and he didn't even have a driving license, but his high-speeding SUV was collided with a motorcycle and motorcyclist is no more now, and his motorcycle was also collided with another taxi as motorcycle was being dragged by this high-speed SUV, and the taxi driver is also under hospital and also faced so many serious injuries, and he even lost his taxi because taxi has gained so much high damage. This is not just a one case, but there are so many cases in India, and this high speeding driver who was juvenile was definitely the son of rich people who even get the bail after year or another of a year or 2 years. But these people who has lost their life have their family has lost everything. This taxi driver who is under hospital is not concerned about his health, but is concerned about his livelihood, his family's livelihood, and he was the sole earner of his family. So these cases are continuously increasing in India, and definitely there are so many reasons behind it. If I talk about the violent crimes by juvenile, so there is a data that of the whole crimes done by the juveniles, the violent crimes in 2016 was 39%. But in 2022, these violent crimes were 49.5% of the whole crimes generated or done by these juveniles. So these violent crimes are continuously increasing. Now here is a question, what is the reason behind this? The reason are the lack of moral values, the lack of proper strict laws, and as well as the thing which is fitted into the mind of the juveniles that they are son of rich people and they will definitely be get on bail after 6 months or 1 year, and definitely they will be free after some days, and there is no proper management of the law for these people as they are the son of rich people. At the same time, the main reason behind is the usage of social media, because we all know there are so many violent influencers on social media, and it definitely affects the mental health of these juveniles because they continuously scrolling reels and as well as scrolling social media and other applications as well, and this is affecting their minds. And that is one of the biggest reasons that so many countries in the world are looking to restrict the usage of social media for the children under the age of 16 years. And for example, Australia. Recently, the ongoing Artificial Intelligence Summit, French President Emmanuel Macron have also argued India to restrict the use of artificial intelligence and social media for the children under the age of 15 years. That is very important for India to look into this matter. We need to stop such type of heinous crimes and heinous accidents on the road, because already India is globally at the top in terms of number of road accidents. And if I talk about the categories, definitely the pedestrian and cyclists are at the top, which are getting killed on the road. So these type of road accidents are continuously increasing. And if I talk about India's automobile market, definitely we need such type of Mahindra SUVs or big cars, because India is one of the largest automobile markets in the world. But our engineering is not only proved by building a Ferrari in India, but it's proved by fixing the potholes on the road, because these are also one of the biggest reasons of the road accidents, as I have already told in one of my recent videos. You can watch it. Thank you.